Good morning, everybody. We are here. We are ready to go. A beautiful day outside today. I'm telling you right now. I don't know if something is wrong with the chat, but it's very weird. I got Mr. Brian first in the chat, Sarah second in the chat, and Lemon Lust third in the chat. If this is wrong, I blame YouTube, but that's all I got going on right now. I find it very strange that the first thing said in the chat today would have been, "We have taught you well, young Jedi bro, LL." That's the first thing I got showing up in the chat right now. So, Mr. Brian, if you were not first in the chat, I have no idea what's going on, but that's what I got going on first in the chat right now. So, Dark Pro says it's wrong. All right, it's wrong. I have no idea what the chat looks like there. So that's what I got. Mr. Brian first in the chat, Sarah second, Lemon Lust, Mr. Brian, Young Alchemy, yo, loving summertime, not lumming summertime. That don't make any sense. Loving summertime. What's going on with you, Dark Bro, Kalani, totally third, Kalani, totally like eighth, Kalani right there. You live? Yes, loving summertime. I am live. I'm a blocked. CD Wit, you are not blocked. Yes, mine did not go through. Football, man. I see it right now. So I don't know what's going on with the chat, but seemingly it's working right now. It's all good. Pudgy was the best at being first. Yeah, man, but who knows what's going on now. Let's check the market out. We've got very good news in the cryptocurrency space, and that is that the judge, oh my God, I cannot believe it. The judge has ruled that the SEC is an idiot, and the SEC cannot claim that Ripple XRP is a security. This is by far, at least to me, the biggest news we could have had in the cryptocurrency space. This solidifies the fact that the SEC is blatantly overreaching. This solidifies the fact that no other cryptocurrency could possibly be considered a security if an actual company with actual people working there is not considered a security. If XRP is not considered a security, good luck to the SEC claiming that any other crypto. They should basically drop the cases right now or throw them out. This is paramount. Absolutely paramount in deciding the future of cryptocurrency. Ripple soaring today. We've got excellent news for Bitcoin, Shiba Inu coin, so on. We're going to be talking about it. I'll show you guys Ripple in a second here, but let's check the market out after I say, Chris, thank you very much for 23 months, bro. Milestone chat. Let's get it, baby. Hello, everybody. What's going on, Chris? So glad to have you in here with 23 months of bro, dude. Loving it right now. Whoa, that's XR. You guys aren't supposed to see that yet. That's supposed to be the little bonus surprise. We're going over to Weeble first, not XRP and those massive gains over there. We've got AMC in the top left-hand side of the screen sitting at 446 right now. It is up 1.37% of the day today. Shiba Inu coin 768, maybe 2.20% gains. Oh, yes. We've got GameStop sitting at 23. I almost said 23,000. You guys would have got me on that. $23.77, 1.40 cents. Bitcoin ripping up from 30,000, what was this, 500, all the way up to 31,100, pulling back a little bit as people take some profits, getting ready on a second attempt. Guys, I mean, today could be the day that Bitcoin breaks out to 35. It truly could be the day that we see a massive break. This is big news that the judge has decided XRP is not a security and the SEC is a bunch of idiots. 14,000 on the NASDAQ. We are at fresh highs, guys. Look at this right here. NASDAQ breaking resistance in a very big way. We're only 10% away. We're 10% away from all-time highs in the overall market. Look at this. 14,000 to 16,000. We are 10-15% away from all-time highs in the NASDAQ. Massive recoveries taking place. 40% gains taking place in the NASDAQ since the beginning of 2023. This is a very good sign. I mean, it really is. AMC 447 right there. GameStop 23.75. Dogecoin 6.7 cents, 3%, 3.5% gain. Ethereum 3.5% gain, 2.5% gain for Shiba Inu coin, 1.5% gain for Bitcoin. Mullen Auto, even Mullen Auto is still up today. It's on its way down, but it's still up. 1.4% higher for Mullen Auto. Sundial $1.52. The SPY 448, 0.5% higher today. BBIG still at $1.87, not bad. Elevated levels. Highcroft Mining for some reason I don't know if they had earnings or what. Highcraft Mining sitting 15% higher today. Not bad. 446 on Netflix. QQQ 1.26% higher. My goodness. Ape sitting at $1.95. MPW at $9.89. Tesla 273, possibly on its way back up. Innovix sitting at $20.36. Guys, J-Bones is rich, man. PID 1830 and Joby sitting at 1038. Still elevated levels, even though it is down 1% on the day today. Everything is looking delicious. Oh my goodness. I'm actually excited today. Congrats, Chris. Yes, Chris. Congrats on 23 months of bro. Dude, I love it. Chris is a solid bro over there. Dark bro, just get some bad idea AI. I've been traveling for work the last few days. So, JC, just, I don't know what JC means, man. I don't even know what that means. It's in, oh, yes it is. Yes it is, Sarah. It is a very, very good day today. Oh my goodness. That is a very good day indeed. My goodness, I don't even know. Sarah's having a very good day today. Sarah's having a very, very good day today. Sarah must have a lot of Ripple. Let's put it that way. Hello, everybody. Still got my Bitcoin long for 30,200. Ow, ow, ow. Old rounder, man. Ripping up. Old rounder. Here's a decision you got to make, dude. Ripple is not a security. XRP is not a security. They won the lawsuit. Check Ripple out right now. This could be a game changer for the entire cryptocurrency space. Look at this right here. $31 billion market cap. Sitting at 60 cents right now. This is the one-day chart. Massive, massive news. Boom! Shooting up 25% almost immediately. Here's the thing you got to look out for, though. Re-attempting and possibly breaking out. Now, it could wick back down. All right, I'm not going to get ahead of myself. But this is fundamentally driven. Ripping through 55 cents a share. Resistance this year, resistance this year, resistance this year. Who the heck cares that it was resistance today? Boom! Ripping through that 55 cent level. You got to go back to an all-time graph. And you got to go back to several years ago, all the way to 2021, to get new resistance levels at right where we're at right now. Okay, 60 cents in July of 2021 as support, 60 cents in January of 2022 as support, a little resistance in this area right here way back in December of 2020. If Ripple is able to break out of this 60 cent level, boom, we could be ripping to 85 cents, $1.30, potentially almost $2 a coin on Ripple. Huge, huge news for Ripple today. And Ripple ripping higher on that news. If you guys want to check it out, let's see here. We got to go, all right, XRP news. Check this out. 6 minutes ago, sale of XRP on exchanges, not investment contracts. There is no reason, there is literally zero reason why Coinbase, why all of these U.S. exchanges should not relist Ripple. If you think that this news is good, this is the excitement. This is the win speculation. Imagine when Coinbase relists them. They delisted, remember, they delisted XRP because the SEC considered it a security. There is no reason whatsoever Coinbase does not relist XRP now. It is not an investment contract. 16%, update the article, man. It's almost 30% now. This is possibly the biggest news. I mean, it's possibly the biggest news that the cryptocurrency space has seen. U.S. judge rules Ripple XRP is not a security. XRP holders are celebrating the win. Ripple's not a security. Congratulations, big W for all the crypto. Congratulations to the XRP community. Yes, man, XRP, not a security. This is huge. You know what? Let's just tweet this out. I want to tweet this out because there's no reason that Coinbase doesn't relist XRP here. So, what do we got going on? Absolutely no reason. What is that, man? Is Coinbase just Coinbase? All right, good deal. Guys, bear with me. All right, that's good enough. Got that article right there. I don't know how I feel about this dude just sitting there on the cover of my tweet, but yeah, whatever. All right, good on that one. We'll come back out here. XRP, we gotta pull it back up. Had to get that tweet out. 61 cents, 30% gains in XRP right now. This is looking good. AMC Trapper in the house, baby. Oh, what's going on, AMC Trapper? How you doing, man? Congratulations to everyone that's been holding this for years. It's about time. It is huge, dude. I am super excited about this announcement right here. I know I'm crying in tears of joy right now. Can't wait to see it hits 5+. Jose, man, I hope that it rips up. I hope that it just continues on going. I don't know if it's going to get there overnight, right? That's clearly a lot to ask for. But the gates have been opened, and Ripple can now move. The SEC, boom. Why is XRP so big for all of crypto? I don't have that or Coinbase. And I thought Coinbase was sketchy because of all the crap with people getting their money taken. Yeah, so, Chris, Coinbase may be a little sketchy, but Coinbase is the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the United States by user amount. So Binance has more volume across the globe, but Coinbase is the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the United States. XRP is so big for crypto for basically one reason. The SEC claiming that XRP is a security. To me, and a lot of people in the crypto community, XRP is the closest thing to a security that you could get. Let's talk about why. Ripple is an actual company. Ripple is like a bank, okay? They don't necessarily store people's money and hold people's money and so on, but they're a financial intermediary. You can send money from bank to bank, from business to business by using XRP. And in how they do so, instead of transferring like dollars to euros and paying a bank to do that transfer and waiting potentially days or even a week for that money to transfer, depending on its size, right? And looking at the conversion rate going from US dollars to euros, you use XRP. So you take your XRP, the transaction is immediate because transactions take place on the blockchain and they happen immediately. And it is much, much cheaper and much, much faster to go from XRP, well, to XRP, but moving from dollars to XRP and then XRP to your euros there. It is immediate international transactions secured and alleged or put on the ledger by the blockchain. Now, because this is a real business, because of all of the money, they literally went out and sold XRP. XRP is a centralized cryptocurrency. It's not decentralized. it basically walks, talks, smacks, and kicks like a security. XRP went out, sold it, raised a bunch of money to do business, and that screams security, right? The judge has determined that it is not a security. To me, if you can't even prove that XRP and with the company Ripple is a stock or is a security, you don't stand a chance at proving any of these other cryptos are securities. So that is why XRP is so big to the overall cryptocurrency market. It's because it's the closest thing to a security that you could possibly get. It's got an underlying business. People expect the increase in business to increase the value of XRP. And if the SEC can't even prove that, dude, there's no chance they prove that anything else is a security. Let's see here. This is giving a lot of hope to the market. Oh, Aruba Sue. It is a huge win, man. NVEI, asking for a friend. You're asking for J-Bones, man. I know you are. Yes, we'll pull up NVEI. Now imagine if Shiba Inu coin was in these XRP gains. Brian, exactly. And I don't think, right, I don't think that these gains are going to be XRP exclusive. Clearly, XRP is driving gains right now. XRP is getting the most hype right now. But, dude, this is a huge win for the overall crypto market. That is a fact, guys. And we are seeing massive gains in Shiba Inu coins, sitting at lucky number 777 with 3.5% gains. Bitcoin sitting at 30,900. Ooh, XRP is even making AMC go higher today, 449. XRP doesn't have anything to do with AMC. But AMC moving higher. I think we'll take the wins as they come. This is a monumental day. Now the gates are open. The flood can begin, baby. Oh, yes. So I wonder what this means for other cryptos like Cardano. The 3 others claim to be securities. I wonder about... Yeah, you know what, Kalani? I don't know where that court case stood. But I imagine. I cannot imagine... I imagine, and I cannot imagine, so let me just finish the I can imagine sentence first. I imagine this is going to be brought up in all of the court cases by Coinbase, Binance, Terra Luna Classic, anything else that is being considered a security right now. They're going to be quoting this court case. Why? Because when you are litigating anything, you use precedence. Previous decisions. Now, it doesn't mean that some idiot judge in a Coinbase case can't decide the contrary, that Coinbase is a, listing securities or whatever. But this is legal precedence that if XRP is not a security, then there's no way they're going to be able to figure out that any of these other cryptos are securities. So I'm very excited about it. I would imagine, Kalani, that it bodes very well for all other cryptos, Bitcoin being an ETF. The SEC cannot touch and regulate and enforce crypto laws if they're not securities. This is the Securities Exchange Commission, guys, not the crypto exchange commission. It's the securities. AMC Trapper! Boom, baby! 2 years of bro. Look at this guy. 2 years of bro. Sorry, I haven't been in the stream. My job... AMC Trapper, man, you got to give me the number of your supervisor or something. Now I thought you drove a forklift or something, so it might be a little dangerous to be on phones, but, dude, come on. Banning phones is kind of dumb unless you're, actively driving or something else. People need a little bit of a relaxing period while they're at work. You cannot just be driving these people to work and cutting them off from the outside world while they're at your job site. Give me the number of this guy, man. I'll call him. I'll leave an anonymous tip that he's an idiot. Let's take a Wall Street meme pre-sale. Robert, I haven't seen it, but there's been a lot of different Wall Street meme tokens. All right, this is not the first one. They do very well for a short period of time, and then not necessarily rug, but people don't stay in these meme coins very long. Moji! I'm gonna look at that stock in a second here. Most of the neckbeard. Look, I'm getting ready to look because I've got a banana in my hand. You peel that banana, you tilt the head back. AMC Trapper, we're so glad to have you back. You lick it, then you stick it. Moji, thank you very much for the banana, man. Absolutely appreciate that. And AMC Trapper, you are cool, man. Dark Bro saying that AMC Trapper is cool, man. Oh yeah, AMC Trapper is cool, man. Dark Bro, thank you very much for the super chat. And we've got another banana for AMC Trapper. Dark Bro, thank you very much. You take that banana, you tilt the head back, you keep that eye contact, man. You lick it, and you stick it. Thank you very much, Dark Bro, for the banana. Thank you very much for the cool. Thank you very much for the banana emoji. Oh, Dark Bro, my goodness. Oh, Dark Bro, don't scare me like that. Thank you very much for the super chats, man. Absolutely appreciate you guys. You're killing it today. The band earbuds been sneaking for 2 years now. Nice. AMC Trapper, that's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking. Just you guys gotta do what you gotta do, man. Gotta do what you gotta do. I like it, Trap. I like it. Just don't get in trouble, man. I don't want to see anybody getting in trouble. Not yet. Got distracted by something shiny. Emoji that I did, man. All right, we got to see up here. What was the ticker? NVEI? I think it was NVEI. I'll just look it up. I tried to scroll back up, but didn't see it there. Let's look at N. I think that's it. Nice. Confirm that it is NVEI while I am flying like Dark Bro's superhero. Oh, yes. Hey, I give you the names and numbers of all my bosses at work, and you can tell them I'm saying this for Chris, because apparently customer service trumps common sense. Chris, I will, man. I will. We should just dedicate the live stream to me calling your guys' employers and telling them how great of a job you do, pretending I'm some sort of a customer, pretending that I was in there earlier on in the day, and really hyping you up and seeing if it works. We should dedicate one of the live streams during the day to just that right there. Chris actually might be onto a good idea. Let's get everybody with races in this live stream. Dark Bro! Alright, I can make it. Woo! I can make it. Thank you very much, Dark Bro, for the superhero super chat. Absolutely amazing, man. So one of these days, you guys really are going to make me pass out, man. Moji with the member chat as well. Hoodie at 24. Oh, man. So J-Bones has hit 24. I believe Stephanie Bro has hit 24. Chris is right around the corner from 24. JB might be at 24. AMC Trapper is at 24. Moji is real close to 24. I hope that we can do, listen, I do hope that we can do hoodies at 24. I would love to see everybody wearing a Bro hoodie at 24. I would love to do that. So if I can, yes. I got to get a bunch of hoodies in order to do that. I have 0 men's hoodies right now. I have 2 women's small hoodies, and I have a woman's, I think, 3X or a woman's 2X. I don't know what it is. I have a woman's 2X or a woman's 3X, and then I have 2 small hoodies in women's. I have 0 men's hoodies right now. So if I do try to do something like that, if we do another giveaway here in a while, yes, I would like to give everybody with two full years a hoodie. So let's just put it that way. I want to do that. I just got to make sure that I can get the hoodies in order to do that because I currently do not have that. Dark Bro again, man. Dark Bro says pass out, Clay Bro. Let's make it happen. Dark Bro, let's go. You ready for this? Yes, Dark Bro. Yes, man. Thank you very much. For the superhero super chat again, Dark Bro's killing me on this one, man. I can't run like this. Yes. Oh my gosh, dude, Dark Bro. I'm gonna start to sweat. And we just started a live stream, man. You can't get me sweating like this already. That is way too fast. Hold on. I gotta authorize some of my own hydration right here. Pat, I need you, man. I need you, Pat. Dark Bro got me dying over here. Thank you very much, Dark Bro, for both of those super chats. Absolutely appreciate it. You guys are killing it today. And yes, Dark Bro, very excited about what? Dark Bro, very excited about the, not that. XRP gains 61 cents. XRP absolutely ripping today, guys. XRP sitting up 30% on the day today because of the judge's decision that it is not a security. Dark's not the only evil one in here. Everybody wants to see me pass out. I don't like it, guys. I don't like it. Heriberto Ramos, what is going? Moji, I love you, man. I love you. Today's opposite day. Alright, I have made it. I have successfully made it through 3 superhero super stickers. Thank you very much, Dark Bro, for 2 of them. Thank you very much, Moji, for that 3rd one. Thank you very much for testing my lung capacity, ladies and gentlemen. It is not easy to inhale and exhale in that manner. I dare you to try it right now. I dare you. Jose Garcia, it has been a minute. I am very glad that you are back. Let's hope that XRP stays up. Sarah, let's hope that it not only stays up there, but it continues going up there. Let's just hope that it continues going up forever. Not just for the next week or the next month. Let's hope that XRP goes up forever. Chris, thank you very much for the authorized. Broccoli. Thank you very much for the authorized broccoli milk, baby. Because Clay sounded like he's about to go super boom Saiyan, baby. Oh yeah, they don't call me Vegeta for nothing. Actually, nobody calls me Vegeta, so don't get that in your head that you guys are calling me Vegeta, because nobody does. Thank you very much for the broccoli milk, Chris. Absolutely appreciate it. I promise my head's spinning right now. And I'm just continuing on so that I don't pass out, trying to slowly breathe in between me reading this comment. So, Chris, man, thank you very much for the broccoli milk. Let's check out NVEI, guy. Denmark Begonia, thank you very much for subscribing to the channel, man. I'm with you on that one. Sarah, I'm glad somebody else, anybody else with me that they hope that XRP does not even pull back but goes up forever in price? Just let me know if you're with me right now. Mr. Brian says for Moji and Dark Bro. Ooh, so that's the lick and stick. Yes, it is, man. You maintain that eye contact, you lick it, and you stick it. Thank you very much for the member chat, Mr. Brian. Oh, Peter! Peter, don't scare. Oh, Peter, don't scare me like that. Oh, my goodness, Peter, you gotta stop scaring me, man. Thank you very much, Mr. Brian. Thank you very much, Peter. You guys are killing it today. I think XRP will be before Coinbase or others in the U.S. I mean, it will be too late to get any real profits from it if you didn't already buy it at an all-time low. What about Lunk listing on Coinbase? No, Matthew, look, I think that, so let me put it this way, okay? If you don't use a decentralized exchange to go buy XRP I mean, even right now, you can still get it. I don't think that these 30% gains are like the done portion of XRP's move higher. Even if you just look at 2021, dude, XRP was testing $2. So I don't think that XRP is done with its gains right now because of this. Once it gets listed on Coinbase, once it gets relisted on all of the major US exchanges, which I expect it to do, there's no reason Coinbase can deny listing these cryptocurrencies right now that are not considered securities. They can come up with something like, oh, well, we need to make sure our litigation, we can't list anything new while the SEC is litigating us. You know, they can come up with some nonsense, but it's inevitable, if it's not considered a security, that Coinbase should relist it. They stand to make a lot of money from listing XRP on their exchange. So, knowing that, if you wait until they do to buy it on Coinbase, yes, the market is most likely going to be saturated, okay? So if you're not using a decentralized exchange, you have 2 days left to use KuCoin if you want to use KuCoin. And I do want to bring this up to anybody that is in the United States using KuCoin right now, or any international users using KuCoin. You have to KYC by, I think, Saturday, July 15th. If you do not KYC by Saturday, July 15th, you're only going to be able to sell. You're not going to be able to trade, swap, buy, or anything. So you've either got, if you're in the United States, you've got to get your cryptocurrency off of KuCoin, or you can't KYC if you're in the United States in KuCoin because they don't have their licenses. You got to use them as a decentralized exchange. But from July 15th on, they're not letting any users in the United States do anything but sell. So you got to come up with a new centralized exchange or new decentralized exchange if you want to use KuCoin. So let's check out NVEI real quick because it's been on an absolute tear. The sound of my mower is loud, but Clay, people call you Vegeta. Vegeta. You guys are Vegeta, man. You know Vegeta. We're going Super Saiyan. Oh my gosh. Sound of your mower is way too loud. Turn it down, Chris. Turn it down. NVEI. Yes, Moji. We are back at it right now. NVEI, ladies and gentlemen. This is Nuvi. I don't know how to say this, but they have been on an awesome turnaround. Possibly a technical move. Now, it's always difficult for me to understand why stocks are moving the way that they are. Clearly, if I don't look at them and I don't know the news, it is very difficult to determine what's happening here. So, is there anything else? Okay, so Spruce Point's no longer shorting Ryan Reynolds backed Nuvi. I don't know. Ryan Reynolds maybe owns this company or is backing it. I have no idea what they do. The lowering of the price target, that's pretty intense. The lowering of the price target has been to $42 from $50. So still, this seems to be an undervalued stock, even after it's gained, I don't know, going from like $25 to $30, nearly 50% over the last couple of weeks. It's $70 price target, $42 price target. Do we have... Okay, the low price target is 42. Average consensus is 57. High price targets are $93. Everybody rating this a buy right now. It is undervalued across the board. That is based on these analysts. That is not based on me. That is not based on anybody else. But the 9 analysts who have taken a look at NVEI right here have it listed as undervalued. I don't know if those price targets alone are what's driving the price higher over the last couple of weeks. But if you do look at this area, you can see that it has bounced off of a very, very strong long-term level of support. This is a daily chart. And this level of support goes back, my gosh, what is this, 9-10 months now? To September of 2022. Prior to that, all right, this is a relatively new company coming out at the end of 2020, and it has done very well to bounce off this $25, $26 level of support for the last, 9-10 months, whatever this is. This bounce off could be met with resistance right where we're at right here. If you look at the support lines that we found in 2022, it's in this area at like $33 to $35. Performed resistance in September, resistance in November. You would raise it a little bit right here, but unable to recapture this line without dropping back down below. So it could be facing some resistance if it doesn't break out. Looks like it does want to break out. So the next technical level of resistance I would have would be a little bit more conservatively in this area at $37, but a little bit more aggressively in this area at $40. Touching here, touching here, touching here, and then using it as support here in April and May of 2023 here. If you combine, and obviously it could jump up to 43 or beyond if it does break it out. But if you combine the fact that the levels of resistance we've got on the chart are around that $40 to $43 level, the lowest analyst consent or the lowest analyst estimate right now is at the $42 price point. I would say you should be bullish based on the technical analysts that have looked at it and the technical levels of support and resistance we have. It has done very well, and it could continue to move higher, especially knowing that the overall market is doing phenomenally right now as well. So NVEI actually looking pretty good at the moment. J-Bones, I like it. Making money in Inovix, making money in NVEI as well. That's what I'm talking about, man. So able to swap some chain link for XRP. I wonder how high it will go. Lonnie, hopefully infinity high. I'm exaggerating a little bit. I know it can't go to infinity high, but hopefully infinity high, man. Hi, Claybro. Do you mind having a look at Meta for me? Today, I have $315 calls expiring tomorrow. Yes. Fernando, absolutely. We'll bring up Meta real quick. Hemi will bring up Jasmine, but I might get distracted by looking at Meta here. We've got some Meta calls at the 315 price point. Wow, Meta has been doing phenomenally, man, since the end of 2022 here, going from $88 to $316. To me, that's very hard to believe that it had such a nice rally since the end of 2022. You're probably going to be safe in terms of actual technical resistance until you get to the 320 mark. And this is long-term resistance. So you don't even have this resistance on the chart until you go back to 2021. So, relatively speaking, you're going to be solid until that $320 mark. But it's already filled its gap. I believe what is driving Meta right now is potentially that new Threads app. There's a lot of attention being cast on Mark Zuckerberg and Threads and so on. But if Twitter and Elon Musk really do sue Meta and Mark Zuckerberg for copying and pasting or whatever, you could see Meta come back down. It's going to be probably, and I don't know what kind of code they used. Clearly, if it was a direct copy and paste, it'll be easy to see. But just be skeptical. The gap has been filled here at the $300 mark. It continues to rip up from that $300 mark. But you do have to worry about Meta potentially being sued by Twitter there and all that. You are doing phenomenally, depending on when you got those calls. Okay, I know if you bought those calls anywhere within the last 2 days, you are up big time on those 315 calls. I would not be afraid to take some profit or shave them down a little bit if you've got more than one call out there, because let me say this, it is looking very nice. These calls are puts. Those are puts. These 315 calls are looking very nice, up 64% on the day today. Meta could hold steady. Meta could not move anymore. It could stay bullish and continue to consolidate at these elevated levels, and you will lose 100% of the value of those calls if it does not finish above 315. Now, I do believe that Meta could easily finish above like 317, where you would need it to equal the current price, but I would be, look, dude, I might be a little bit more conservative than you, but you do not want Meta to finish below 315 and wipe out the entirety of the value on those calls. So please be aware of that. I think the Fed's going to increase rates again. Canada just did yesterday by 25 basis points. Missing link. That is a very good question. And this can go one of two ways. I do want to answer this because, yeah, emoji, the high forecast is $93. That is huge. Yes, Thomas, XRP did win the lawsuit. They did just win that. We can talk about it more in a second here. Picked up 1,000 XRP. Lonnie, very nice, man. I want to answer Missing Link's question real quick, okay? I can look at it two ways. The market can look at it two ways. The Fed can look at it two ways. And I don't know which way they're going to look at it. So I'm torn on whether or not they will increase interest rates. But right now, with the inflation rate or CPI in the United States at 3%, that is very close to their 2% target rate. It's moving down nicely. We just dropped an entire percentage point from 4% down to 3%. I would argue, and I'm sure some people in the Fed will argue, that you don't need to increase rates anymore. Let's see what happens, right? Let's see if the decline continues before we go out and raise rates even more. We are so close to that target 2% rate. Why risk banks losing profit? Why risk, increasing rates too far and dropping that target inflation rate below the 2% target? Why risk dropping inflation below 2%? Why stifle growth by increasing interest rates and prohibiting some people from borrowing money? So I'm sure there's a lot of people that are going to argue that out there. And I would say, let's ease back a little bit. If it were me, we're already so close to the 2% target with that 3% rate. We had more than the expected decline. I don't think it's necessary to raise rates this time. Some more hawkish people in the Fed might say, look, what we're doing is obviously working. Inflation is, not deflating, but inflation is decreasing drastically right now. We are so close to that 2% target. Raising rates potentially one or two more times, or raising rates at this next meeting is potentially going to put us right at that 2% target. And we have not seen any devastation in terms of jobs growth, labor growth. The housing market has not necessarily slowed down drastically. People are still out there borrowing like lunatics. They're taking on these huge interest rate loans, and we're not seeing the adverse effects of continuing to increase interest rates. So let's just do it. Those are the two train of thoughts that we could be seeing going into discussion for this next Fed meeting. I wouldn't raise them, but I don't know what the Fed's going to decide, because I could easily see raising or not raising interest rates to this next one. I really don't know. How high does everyone think XRP will go? Saw a forecast for $30. Lonnie, I don't think that the short-term forecast is going to be at $30, man. I think that's way too high for a short-term forecast. I will say this, though. I do think from the prices that we're at right now, at a $30 billion price point, 330x. I think that we could 30x from these levels. I think that XRP can reach a $1 trillion valuation over the next several years. Why? It's a legitimate company. Okay? It is one of the first movers in the international finance blockchain space. It is going to be one of the most trusted, one of the most used companies in this space. And I do believe, therefore, like any other bank or any other major global company, it can support a $1 trillion valuation. So I do think that XRP can continue to move up over the years, knowing that they have not been considered a security now, and they've got free room to run. $30 price point is a 60x increase. Now, going from a $1 trillion to a $2 trillion valuation is not that drastic, but it's got to get there first. Okay, we have to see if it can even get near a $1 trillion valuation. $30 is going to give it roughly a $2 trillion valuation, and it's high, okay, but it's going to put it at one of the largest top companies in the entire world. I mean, it still does that at $1 trillion, but to me, it's a very, very intense run. Thanks for the little Clay. Absolutely, Mo G, man. Guys, listen, if I missed your chat, please, 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 please bring it back up, because I'm going to catch back up to the chat right now and bring up the chat there. Feds will appeal. No, they will appeal depending on, I don't know how high that court case went. I don't know if that was a Supreme Court decision. You can't appeal a Supreme Court decision. So I don't know where that court case stands, how far they made it. This decision has been going on for a very long time now, and I don't know if they can appeal it or not. I don't know if it was Supreme Court or what the deal was. Simple Swap, good place for XRP. Sam, there you go, man. Thank you, appreciate it. Also, if you could please explain how Theta decay works with options, for example, if I was buying calls today with an expiration Friday. So, Fernando, Theta decay is crucial if you are buying calls with such a short period of time left in them. So, we can look at that really quick. I believe it's important for you to understand you are going to be much better off selling the option with such a short expiration time, because Theta decay can absolutely kill you. So, you guys can see the screen. Okay, cool. So you guys can see the screen right here. Let's say you are buying these 315 calls that expire tomorrow. There's 1 day left, July 14th, these expire. Theta decay is $1.69. 1.69. Theta is always in the negative, right? Theta is always negative because it's the decay. That means this 1.69 means that everything else remaining the same, everything else remaining constant, which you're not likely to see. I mean, things are constantly fluctuating. The price is a very important indicator. It is constantly fluctuating. But let's just say that the price tomorrow is $314.78. This means that you are going to lose $1.69.67, but $1.69 on this options premium. So everything remaining the same, this options premium is going to go down to $1.49 and then another 69 cents, so 80 cents. This options premium is going to be trading at about 80 cents tomorrow because of Theta decay alone. So, dude, if the price is rising nicely right now, but if the price just stays steady where it's at, you are going to lose huge, because it's going to lose $1.69 in value. So Theta decay simply means how much the options premium should decay over the 24-hour period from today to tomorrow based on everything else remaining constant. Now, knowing it's going to lose $1.69, right? If Meta or Facebook goes up $1.69 in price, I mean, you're kind of offsetting yourself there. You don't necessarily have to worry about that Theta decay at that point. That's your break-even line. So if you plan on holding this option overnight, you should hope that Meta is trading at about $316.69 tomorrow for you to be in the exact same position that you're in right now. Theta decay is crucial for anybody buying options that expire on a short-term basis. If you did not understand that, if you did not get it, I tried to explain it, but I can absolutely try to explain it a different way if necessary, if you didn't understand it. So please ask it again. If you or anybody else in the chat want to know a little bit more about options, didn't understand that, please, man, like, don't feel bad if I explained it in a way that you did not understand. I have no problem trying to explain things 3, 4, 5, 10 different ways until you guys get it. That's the most important thing, is that you guys understand what I'm saying. I think they hold one more time, but that would make sense. I might have missed something on there. What do you think about RKLB? Christian, man, we'll look it up. Oh, okay. So Moji was saying that they hold. Oh, that would make sense. They hold one more time. Yeah, Moji, absolutely, they could, man. You're talking about interest rates there. What if XRP gets relisted and the Asian markets wake up? Yeah, no, Lonnie, I agree, dude. Coinbase, Binance, these exchanges may give us some crap about, well, we're currently being litigated, so we don't want to go ahead and upset the SEC by relisting any tokens during this time when we are in our court cases. But if XRP is not a security, man, they're going to be relisting it on their exchange. Well, the Feds are stupid enough to try most of the time. Don't care what the Supreme Court says, especially on rule. Yeah. No, Dark Bro, you're right on that one, man. 44, 27, 17 likes are missing. Guys, click the like button. Clay, can take a look at Metal Blockchain, please and thank you. Is it Metal Blockchain? Appreciate you. That was a very easy to understand explanation. Fernando, good deal, man. Good deal. Appreciate you letting me know that it worked for you. So the real question now is one of the reasons that Binance US deal listed USD deposits and withdrawals was because of this. So they better get that stuff enabled real quick. Yeah, Dark Bro, man. I hope that they do. But what I think is most likely going to happen here, the SEC took their hit. Okay? The SEC is going to have to make a decision. Here's the interesting part. Do they continue to fund their lawyers and allow these lawyers to make hundreds of millions of dollars litigating nonsense? Or do they kind of get the wind knocked out of them with this XRP case and back off of Coinbase, back off of Binance, kind of play it smart and understand that if they can't beat XRP, they're not going to beat Coinbase and they're not going to beat Binance. They're not going to beat any of these other tokens. So hopefully, as I say this, I know that they probably are. Hopefully these guys are not idiots and they don't continue to waste hundreds of millions of dollars litigating these cases that they just lost against Ripple. So, me saying that, I know that they're not the brightest. I know that they don't care about the money they're spending. So, we absolutely could see a continuation here. I got the decision. It's called Leave Crypto Alone. Greedy guys already have enough money. Yes, they do. Lawyers, kind of calm down on this one. Leave crypto alone, please. It's not a security. Once and for all. Metal. Is this a stock or... Alright, it's got to be a stock. Let's see if we can look up Metal Blockchain, ladies and gentlemen. See what this is doing here. XRP sitting at 59.96 right now. Looking good, looking good, looking good. XRP still looking good. Where's Pepe at today? 150 points per coin. Very nice on Pepe. You guys can't see my screen, can you? Nope, you can't. All right, it's Pepe rolling back up today from 150 to 158 points. Very nice there. I want to see Metal Blockchain. There it is. Metal Blockchain, ladies and gentlemen, sitting at 5 cents right now. A very small $8 million market cap. There's a lot of coins that could still be left outstanding. I do not like the max supply whatsoever of 666 million coins. Only 24% of the coins are outstanding. I don't know if that means that the rest are staked. I don't know if that means that the rest have just not been issued yet or what. Typically, when you only have this many coins in circulation and they can continue to list or mint new coins there, you see a graph like Jasmine. And that is exactly what I expected to see here. Something that is like moving exponentially lower instead of exponentially higher. I didn't expect to see that. So, do I think it's going to get back to these dollar price points? Not if they continue to put more coins into circulation. Think about it. The way that Terra Luna Classic just dove in price when more coins were being issued into circulation is the same way that these coins are diving in price as more and more coins come into circulation. So it has steadied off. I don't know if this drastic steadying over the last 7 months indicates that it is at a bottom or not. Simply because I don't know what they're doing with the other 76% of the coins. If they're staked, okay, great. I think that this could be a nice bottom here. If they just haven't yet been minted or issued, I'd be staying away from this coin. I mean, you wouldn't want them to dilute it even further and the price be down at 0.005. It's not something you want. So that's my thoughts on that one. First time, haven't seen it. Crypto Rocketeer! Boom, baby! Dabbing on them as always. What's going on, Crypto Rocketeer? Wait a minute. Did XRP win? D's. XRP did win, man. XRP just ripping higher today. 27%, sitting at 60 cents per coin. Looking very good. Where is... Yes. Sale of XRP on exchanges is not investment contracts. Court rules an SEC case against Ripple. Very, very nice. Institutional sale of XRP tokens did violate federal securities laws. A court ruled it granted Ripple's motion for summary judgment in part. Very nice, man. The court published the conclusions in an order partially granting a motion for summary judgment in the ongoing case against the blockchain platform by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. The SEC accused the firm and its executives, CEO Brad Garlinghouse and co-founder Christian Larson, for failing to register XRP as a security. Summary judgment has been granted in favor of XRP. Yes, man. These are not investment contracts. I like it. But the institutional sale of tokens did violate federal securities laws. Okay, good news. What that means, reading into this case a little bit further, that means that, and this is good to know. So going out there and issuing a cryptocurrency as a centralized company to raise money, that violated federal securities law. But the listing of that security, please put that in quotes, the listing of that coin does not constitute an investment contract. Therefore, the exchanges wouldn't get in trouble for that. So Ripple's sale of XRP tokens on exchanges and through algorithms did not constitute investment contracts. There's no problem with Coinbase listing XRP. There's no problem with XRP and Ripple's algorithms. There's nothing wrong with that. All of the exchanges can list it. But Ripple's sale of the tokens did violate federal securities laws. Now, federal securities laws are basically looking at XRP raising this money. I would actually continue to argue, if possible, if Ripple can't continue to argue, that they should be allowed to raise money in any way possible. Right? The SEC doesn't have overreach of everybody. If it's not ownership in the company, if XRP holders do not own part of Ripple, is it a security? Very, 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 I mean, it's difficult to say, right? That's why they've been arguing for so long. And I am on Ripple's side in their decision to litigate. But judge kind of gave it a 50-50. Ripple is in trouble, but XRP can get relisted. Let's put it that way to summarize the judgment there. They would like to classify everything as a security. Just trying to find out how. Lisbon, you are 100% right, man. They want to own. Dude, if they could own your mom, they would own your mom. The SEC is in a tyrannical power grab. Just an overreach. Tyrannical overreach by Gary Gensler and all of his cronies out there. So, yeah, dude, it is bad news. They will try their hardest to do it, but it sucks to be them today, I guess. D's, bro. Yes, they did. Crypto's unstoppable now. Listen, I mean, the companies that issue the cryptocurrency, if they're bringing in millions or billions of dollars by issuing the crypto, they may have to pay their dues, right? They may have to pay the mafia to do so. Taxman is always going to come for his taxes. Mafia is always going to come for their cut. Mafia is no different than the SEC and the regulator or enforcer in the security space. They want their cut is all they want. But there's no reason that XRP can't get relisted now and shouldn't continue to drive higher. Meta Blockchain will be the USDC platform for transactions. Mr. Brian, gotcha. Frank first. If you ain't first, you're last. If Frank is last, he's first. Frank got to be close to 2-year anniversary as well. Yes, Frank's got to be close to that 2-year anniversary. Frank has been in here forever, man. Guys, somehow it is already 1 o'clock. It is a good day in crypto when you are seeing massive gains across the board. When Ripple is ripping higher right now, 61.4 cents, touching new highs, and hopefully does continue to rip higher throughout the rest of the day. Very exciting for everybody involved in the crypto space right now. But because it is 1 o'clock, please get your names in the chat right now. We're going to do some shout-outs. We will be back this afternoon. Appreciate all you guys for making it go extremely quick. Enjoying the live stream. Dark Bro, Moji, man. Chris, thank you guys for all of the... Peter had another one. If Peter's still in here, thank you guys for all of the super chats today. Appreciate every single one of you guys. We're going to do these shout-outs, and we will be back. Hopefully, XRP is sitting at 75 cents by the time we get back this afternoon. Crypto Rocketeer Boom, baby. We got Dark Bro, Lisbon, D's. Enjoy your day, man. Moji, enjoy your afternoon. Mr. Brian, Frank, we got Mr. Brian, Moji, Michael, Allen. Lemon Lost, see you later. Dark Bro, Roulette Wheel, Moji, see you this afternoon, man. Kalani, Frank, Lisbon, Sarah Desta, 50 Shades of Green. I hope you all have a... Yes, Sarah, I hope that everybody does as well. And yes, guys, please enjoy your day the way that Sarah says to enjoy it. Dark Bro, enjoy it. Next level, man. See you later, Lisbon. Football, Roulette Wheel, next level. Mr. Brian, all of you guys. You know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.